Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we've fitted a Ghost 2 immobiliser on a 2023 Mini Cooper S fully electric. So how the system works, put your foot on the brake, start it. The vehicle will start the vehicle. If we try and put it in gear, the vehicle will shut down, the ignition will stay on. So every time you jump in the vehicle, start the vehicle up. So without your foot on the brake, main ignition on, insert your code, which is going to change after the video. Foot on the brake and start the vehicle. Vehicle goes to ready, select the gear and drive away. When you turn off the ignition, within about 10 seconds the system will arm. So if I try and start it again, you'll see the vehicle will start, and if I try and put it in gear, it will switch off again. Okay, so start the vehicle up. So start it, put it in gear, vehicle flicker and shut down. Okay, if you want to place it in valet mode, the way you place it in valet mode is main ignition on, insert your code, get our double flash, and then hit the traction control 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll get 5 flashes. And the system will be in valet mode. So now I'll be able to start it, put it in gear and drive away. This is speed and distance dependent, so if you go over 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes solid, it will jump out and it would require the code. Okay, so now if you want to take it out of valet mode, just start button on to main ignition, insert the code, you'll get a double flash and it will come out. There you go, it's now come out. So if I turn off the ignition, give it 10 seconds, start the vehicle up, put it into gear, it'll shut down. There you go, if I put it into gear, vehicle shut down. Okay, now I'm going to show you the Halo product and show you the comparison so you can see the difference and how it works. So now this is the Halo Mini on the same vehicle. I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm going to start the vehicle up. The vehicle will start straight away, no problem at all. But if I try and put it into gear, it'll just keep on going back into park. So I'm going to insert the code. There's our full beam flash, go straight into gear. Okay, when I turn off the start button, as soon as I open the door, we'll get the double flash, and it'll be immobilised again. So this doesn't arm after 8 seconds, it arms only when you open the door. It's a lot cleaner, it responds quicker, and it locks up the gearbox, so you don't get the dashboard swiping and switching off. Okay, if I want to place it in valet mode, just turn the main ignition on, insert the code, and hold on the last press. You see we've got the disarm flash, keep on holding for about 15 to 20 seconds. And then all of a sudden you'll see it, give us a 5 flashes. There you go, there's our 5 flashes. And then that will now be in valet mode. So let's turn it off, open the door. There's no flashing. We're able to start it and put it into gear straight away. As I said, it's a lot cleaner. And this will stay in valet mode until you put the push sequence in and hold the last press button for 15 to 20 seconds. So let's just take it out of valet mode. So main ignition on, vehicle can't be running. Insert the code and hold on the last press. Hold for about 15 to 20 seconds and you'll see again, we'll get 1 flash and you'll see it'll come out of valet mode. There you go, as soon as I turn off the start button, open the door, system's armed, I'll be able to start it again, but just can't put it into gear. Insert the code, there's our flash, and into gear. Okay, well, if we want to change the code, as long as the system is still disarmed, in other words I haven't opened the door, if I turn on the ignition without the vehicle running, tap the accelerator to the floor 10 times, I'll get a visual flash from the full beam, and then I'll just insert my code, and within 5 seconds turn off the start button and the new code will be learned. As I said, this is just a quick video just to show the comparison between the Ghost 2 and the Halo Mini. But also, just finally, in the Halo Mini, we can add a tracker to it and do remote immobilisation or push sequence blocks. So if someone was to ask at the front door, give me the keys and give me the code, just give them the keys, give them the code, let them get away, fire the immobilisation. When the vehicle stops, the push sequence won't work. You want to get one of these fitted, one of either the Ghost 2 or the Halo Mini, give us a call, 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.